Good morning guys! So this is technically the day 3 ng ating Cebu trip and time check, it's 12:22 AM and this is where we're going to another part naman ng Pilipinas. Oh, sino kayo dyan? Because on our day 3 we'll be touring and we'll be exploring the Siquijor. And that's it. See you later, Siquijor! Touchdown, Siquijor! We're here, guys. Hey! We are now in Siquijor. Kakababa lang namin ang barko. Ano tayo punta? Myra, tayo punta.
Bakasyonista yarn! Let's go! Let's go! Siquijor!
Hi guys! We're on our way sa Siquijor Port. Hey, medyo madilim pa guys. Good morning here from Siquijor. Medyo madilim pa tayo. Ops! Ops!
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
What happened? Diyan baba.
Gilid!
Huminto tayo sa gitna ng highway, guys. Hindi na kayanan po. Ito po ang nangyayari. Tutulak tayo. Ops! Yan. Go kuya. Sige. Hindi na nakabuelo. Sobrang bigat po namin. Kaya? Kaya yan. Let's go! Ang saya. And hi guys, good morning. So currently we are here at the Siquijor Port. Ito yung port, ayan. And then currently we are renting our own motorbikes dito lang sa Tumamak Lodge. Tapat niyan, ito yung rentahan ng mga motorcycle na pwede nyong gamitin as you stroll around Siquijor. And syempre dapat yung driver ay merong license. Yun yung kailangan dito. Okay? Ayan. So that's part of our adventure na rent ng ganitong motorbike. Tapos kami na lang yung mag-stroll, DIY travel. Ay, diba? Saya. Let's go! Hi naman kayo, Ja.
Hi!
Ryan.
Hello.
Ready ka na ba? Kim, Mai. Saan ka magsakay? Kita?
Sa tricycle!
Tricycle. Let's go, guys! Hey. Hi, guys! This is my motorcycle. Let's go! Allen! Ryan! Nikki! Ano na siya? Ay, nawala. Ano na, nag-restaurant na siya. Yay! So, vlog takeover muna tayo with your baby girl, Kimi. Yeah. So, eto na. Papasok na kami ngayon sa aming Airbnb. Medyo bago lang kasi yung Airbnb namin. So, hindi siya kilala masyado ng mga nakausap na ni Cindy.
Pababa po, pababa. Hindi ba? Nakapasok na po kami.
Nakausap
kami
ni Cindy yung aming... We're here guys sa Airbnb.
Babalik diretso po sa dulo.
Welcome sa ating Airbnb here in Siquijor! Ayun guys, so we just arrived here sa aming transient or Airbnb here in Siquijor. Napakaganda ng place and it's actually beachfront, and if you're going to see that, ito yung beach natin, and ang ganda ng vibes at ang labas ng Airbnb na to. Let's see yung loob naman. Okay? Sige, let's have a quick room tour. Let's go. Ito yung entrance niya. There's a tile. Hello, what's your name?
Peace.
What?
Peace.
Peace? Say hi, say hi.
Hi.
Thank you, you're so cute. Boy. Of course, mayroong beach dog. Hello. And this is actually glass. Kasyal. Oh. Oh, it's so nice. Ang ganda ng loob, guys. Sobrang ganda. Look at this one. All tiles, all white. Wow. This is a yung kitchen. Then have rooms here. Then look at this one. Meron silang couch at my bed. Wow. Then ito yung maganda. Ang ganda rito. Pag pinashmat na makakita mo. Wow. Oh my God. Look at that. Ang ganda. Hello. And there's a hammock, guys. May hammock pa. Let's try yung hammock nila. Wow. Look at this. Ang ganda ng villa. Wow. Beachfront. Then we have the hammock. Upo ka dito. The view. Guys, ang ganda. Love it. Siquijor. Ayun guys, nilang yung beachfront na to na maganda na may glasses and white. Meron pa silang tinatagong rooftop sa taas. Pwede mag-party-party.
Hindi ako makita.
Pwede mag-party-party ng tuwing gabi.
Tignan natin.
Stargazing, ayan. Ito yung way nila sa may gilid lang ng villa. Rooftop. Ice! Ice, come here, Ice. Come here. Come on. It's dangerous. Dangerous. Don't go there. There's
Slippers too big.
sharp objects. Let's go.
Say hi.
Hi, hi. Say hi. Ice, say hi. Hey, you're so cute. Come on, come on. Let's have fun. Let's go to the rooftop. Ito yung rooftop nila, guys. Ito yung rooftop. This is Ice. Hi. Hi, Ice. Say hi.
Hi.
Hi. Let's go. Ito yung rooftop. Be careful. Go first. Come first. Sorry. You go first, Ice.
Balis ko kasi nila. Saan makabisnes ka?
This is the rooftop view. Oh my God. Stop me. Serious. Ang ganda, May. Ang lawak. Ayan siya. Then, meron dong pwede niyong upuan for party. And then, look at the view. Shit. Sorry, makabagmura na ako.
Don't run.
Wow. This is so nice. Ice, you say, it's so nice. Come on. It's so nice. 1, 2, 3, go. It's so nice. Come on. Nice. One more. Nice. Yeah. covering the gases sa mga motorcycle namin dito para safe kami sa daan. So from Cebu to Siquijor, we are doing a DIY tour dito. Kami lang for the search kami ng mga destinations. So, umuubo na po dito. Ayan, kami lang din. Joyride with the friends and the helmet for... Welcome dito sa ating unang destination, guys. And this is Salagdoong Beach Resort. Let's go!
Let's go.
Let's go! Support naman ito, mayroong konting cliff dito na aakatan natin, tapos maganda rin yung view. Yung blue. Tara, kumain na kami. Wow. Parang siya konting akit lang, tapos oh, look at that view, guys. I will show it to you, syempre.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Aray ko, sorry. Hindi tayo mayamot. Wow. Oh. Grabe yung color ng dagat dito, guys. Sobrang ganda.
Hindi na magaling.
Wow. Guys, this is the view ng cliff dive. Grabe, napakaganda ng tubig. Look at that. Ito yun. Yung rank natin ng cliff diving. Kakalula siya, pero ang ganda. Look at this! Kasi yan, babagsakan nyo. Kakanginig. Kung ikaw ay malakas ang loob mo, pwede ka nakulang dito sa cliff dive nila. Solid, ang ganda. Pero syempre hindi tayo talon kasi kakatakot, tsaka wala akong life vest. Sa mahalaga safetyness. Pero look at the view, guys! Sobrang ganda! Ang ganda! Hi guys! So, buko break kami lahat.
Ay, hindi na tayo magbubuka.
On our next destination, because we are here na, ayan. Yan yung entrance ng
Hindi na magbubuka.
Kabuga High Falls here in Siquijor. Yan yung pangalan namin pumuntahan ngayong araw. And we're just having our buko juice break dito para magpahinga ng konti kasi medyo mainit sa daan. Pero ang ganda kasi, ang ganda ng panahon. So we're very thankful that later, may konting trek lang daw na dalakarin. Tapos yun na yung pinaka Kabuga High Falls na. Let's go! So we are here now, papasok sa Kabughayan Falls, and approximately 135 steps daw, sabi ng tour guide, before niyo mapuntahan yung pinaka falls. And ang tourist spot dito ay may mga swing sila, Tarzan swing, like nakaupo ka, tapos swing, tapos may human drone. Yun yung maganda daw na experience dito sa Kabughayan Falls. Nakikita ko na yung ganda ng tubig dun, oh. Napakadino talaga, sobrang yung color kakaiba, mint green na bluish na napakalinaw. Second activity here in Siquijor, the Kabughayan Falls. May balsa din, guys, may balsa.
Limited job po. So yung life jacket na may rental po sila.
Ayun guys, so ito yung pangalawa naming activity dito sa Siquijor. Ang falls na yun na nabanggit ko kanina, and ang aming last activity na puntahan through motorcycle again is the Runic Beach Club. Ayan. So yun yung sikat din na sa mga kailangang puntahan if we're going here in Siquijor. So hopefully mapuntahan namin siya within 30 minutes because medyo malalayo siya. Of course, gamit na yung aming mga motor, diba? It's super spontaneous adventure. Ano kaya ang meron doon sa Runic na yon? Let's see later. Let's go. Hi guys, this is our third spot dito sa Siquijor, and this is Pitogo Falls. Ang ganda ng vibes, pang pre-nap, napakaganda. Look at that view. And hello everyone, this ends our day 1 here in Siquijor and the day 3 on our Cebu Siquijor trip. And as of the moment, we are having our lunch and dinner kasi di kami nakapag-lunch ng maayos because alam nyo na, nasa road kami. Dito lang yan sa Coco Grove Beach Resort. And ang ganda ng place guys, parang mala 5-star yung vibes. Ang ganda ng puan, ang ganda ng place. There's a beach over there kasi madilim na. Then ang ganda ng mga staff din. And of course, yung mga pagkain ang bibigat at ang so good. For example, this kebab pork. And that's it. So yung day 1 namin sobrang full pack din ng mga nangyayari kasi DIY siya, as in kami lang nag-adventure here around Siquijor, kaya meron kaming na-rent na motorcycle. And tomorrow, day 2 ng Siquijor namin, abangan natin ano pang mga mangyayari sa aming adventure here in Siquijor. See you guys and good night na kasi we are very tired. Mag-drive pa kami pabalik ng aming Airbnb. So wala na tayong So ito na yan, good night and see you next day. Good morning guys! Good morning all the way here from Siquijor, and we're having our morning breakfast with Jaja. Hello! And ito yung aming breakfast with the view and all. Napakaganda. And for our last day here in Siquijor, ang itim natin dyan, grabe. Ang itim ko. Talaga, nag-enjoy tayo. And sa aming last day sa Siquijor, nagpaiwan kami Jaja dito para i-enjoy yung aming Airbnb. And that is, ang owner niya ay si Ate Joy. Shoutout sa'yo, Ate Joy.
Hi, Ate Joy. Thank you so much for hosting our place here in Siquijor. The place is so beautiful. By the way, guys, ang name ulit ng Airbnb is White House. They also have Facebook page. You can also message that page for booking, pero meron din sila sa Airbnb.
Yes, napakaganda guys. Kakaiba siya. Yung vibes niya, yung lugar, yung place, yung lamig sa umaga, and yung morning view like this. Okay? So napakabait ni Ate Joy. Thank you Ate Joy for accommodating us here in Siquijor. Ang ganda-ganda po ng experience namin dito.
We're going back to Cebu for our last day. Tama? Yes.
Last day.
May tour din kami noon, which is the uphill, and then balik na naman nila.
Oh. Ayun, so that will be tomorrow, our last day here in doon sa Cebu. Okay? And that's it guys. See you on the next clip ng ating vlog na to, and I hope you are enjoying so far yung vlog na to. Ang dami ko na sinabi, kakain na kami. Good morning and that's it.
A lot of
morning guys! Good morning Cebu! So this is our last day here in Cebu. Ay, hindi pala. Welcome back us here in Cebu. Good morning. Janelle?
Hi.
Myra?
Good morning!
Grabe yung blush ni Myra. Blush na blush. Siyempre si Nikki.
Sabihin mo nga kung mapulang-mapula.
Hindi, ganda nga eh. Bagay sa'yo. Bagay sa'yo yung blush niya. So this is our last day sa Cebu. So we're going to have our city tour. And may mga punta kaming churches and may mga magagandang destinations dito sa Cebu proper. And that's it, our last day. And mamaya-maya, we're going back sa aming mga kanya-kanyang buhay sa Manila. Sad. Okay. And that's it. See you sa mga pupuntahan namin today. Let's go! Welcome to Sirao Garden! Ja!
Welcome!
Welcome to Sirao Garden.
Meanwhile,
Biane! I don't know how. Biane! I don't know how.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, sir. Shake kayo, ma'am. Meron tayong mango dragon shake. Yes, ma'am. Shake kayo dyan.
Ang big mo naman! Thank you, Kuya.
Kuha muna sa loob.
Hi! Hi guys! So on our third destination, Kimi, is the Philippine Taoist
Temple.
Ayan. So dito required na may mask lahat daw. Kasi gawalong sa pinaka-temple nila.
And may celebration today dito.
Pagkang celebration na.
Hong Kong Feast. Q
Yeah.
Hong Kong Feast.
Ito. Q Hong Kong Feast. So this is the Philippine Taoist Temple. Yung mga pa-dragon there. Yun. Hi guys! So this is the second destination natin sa ating Cebu City trip. And we are here at the Temple of Leia. Going to see that. Very Greece ang vibes here. Ang ganda. Kakaibang lugar to guys. You're gonna see that. Puro mga pillars and all. And sa loob, ang ganda rin ng vibes. Let's see that. Let's go! Hi guys! Hello!
Comment pala.
Tawag.
Mahan tayo.
Okay. Hello guys! Ayan. So we are here at the Magellan's Cross. Ito yung ating huling pupuntahan ba? Ay, pa, meron pa. As of the moment, umuulan kasi guys. Ayan. So, okay lang din. It's raining in Cebu daw. So, that is the Magellan's Cross guys. That one.
Sila sa yung mga kama, luwan sila mga negosyo na malambulan, luwan sila mga panarbaho na may nagtawang panarbaho. Ating earth ko.
Thank you po. Ayaw ka na po.
Bigyan niyo po siya ng pagkaisa. Iwan niyo po siya sa mga sakit-sakit. Kasi nasa kanyang mga pamilya. Bigyan niyo po sila ng
Hi guys! So this is the last destination ng aming city tour and currently we are here in 10,000 roses. And that is, ito yung roses nila. Guys, look at this one. Puro white siya. Puro white siya, guys. Thank you ko.
Thank you po. Kuya King. So, ingat.
So we're going back to Manila. Yes. We are na.
Back to reality.
Yeah.
Grind na naman. Hustle.
Back to work. Back to real life. Ito yung mga bagay namin, guys. Look at this. Ayan. Ang dami pasalubong and ito na yung mga mukha namin. Sobrang itim namin. That's it. It's part of our experience dito sa Cebu and Siquijor. Let's go back to Manila, guys. Let's go. Let's go, guys. Let's timbang-timbang yung aming mga bagahe. Jaja. Struggle ng pauwi from Cebu. Kimi.
Hi! Saan na?
TikTok. Wait, time. Pero ang struggle natin pa uwi, guys, kasi may mga pasalubong tayo and kailangan natin tansyahin yung mga kilon, timbang ng mga luggages. Let's go. And that's it, guys. See you next time sa ating travel vlog. So, it will be all like and share this video, and I hope you will like this travel vlog. Cebu and Siquijor, we're so tired na and gusto tayong makauwi. And that's it, guys. That will be tutang yun. And see you again on our next travel vlog. Thank you so much, guys. Love you. Mama.